In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Google Workspace Support Vertical Bar 2026 Vertical Bar step by step. If you manage a Google Workspace organization, the fastest path to real help starts in the admin console. You'll need to sign in with an administrator account, not a personal Gmail. Open admin.google.com in your browser, sign in, and complete any two-step verification prompts. For security, never share your password or recovery codes with anyone, including support. Once you're in the admin console, look to the top right corner of the screen. Click the Help icon, the small question mark, or the Get Help button if you see it. This opens Google's Help Assistant, sometimes called Concierge Support. It will suggest articles and tools based on what you ask, but the goal here is to reach a human when you need one. In the message box, briefly describe what's going on. Clear, specific phrasing makes a difference. For example, you can type, "Cannot access admin account, billing problem, Google Meet recording missing," or "Domain verification failed." Include simple context like the affected user, the domain, and any exact error message or recent changes. Short, direct sentences work best, and you can paste non-sensitive logs or timestamps to speed up troubleshooting. After the assistant offers automated suggestions, look for the option to contact support. Click Contact Support to continue. If the assistant doesn't display the button right away, you can also type Contact Support and it will surface the option. At this point, Google may ask whether this is a new issue or if you're following up on an existing case. Choose the option that fits so your conversation threads correctly and your history is preserved. Next, pick the support method that works for you. Depending on your workspace plan, you may see live chat, email, or phone support. Chat is usually the quickest way to start a real-time conversation. Email is helpful if you need to share screenshots or detailed attachments and don't need an immediate back and forth. Phone support can be best for urgent, service-impacting incidents when you want direct escalation. Response times and availability can vary by plan and region. Before you start the conversation, have key details ready: the primary domain, user addresses involved, billing IDs if it's a payment issue, and approximate timestamps. After you connect, note the case ID so you can reference it later. That's it. Sign in, open Get Help, describe your issue, choose Contact Support, and select the method that fits.